We as a society manufacture and make things that we need in our daily lives, and we make, use, and dispose of many products that create toxic waste or end up in landfills, or maybe even worse, in the ocean. You may have been reading about gyres of plastic content that are actually creating islands in the Pacific Ocean from plastic waste. This design is referred to as cradle to grave. And more than 90% of the materials extracted to make durable goods in the United States become waste almost immediately. Often you can find that it's just cheaper to replace a product, buy a new cell phone, buy a new appliance, rather than to repair the old. And there's even a concept for this called planned obsolescence. There are concerns being raised that this model is not a wise use of resources and it cannot continue indefinitely.